Hello everyone. This is a room tour of room 838 at the Grand Legacy across from Disneyland. They call this a 2-room suite, and as you walk in you see there's a dining table, a couch. This couch does make into a bed. Couple of tables, lamps. On the lamps, there are a couple of normal outlets and a couple USB outlets. And there's same thing on this side, the telephone. From this room, which is at the very end of the building, is a view of Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout. TV, table. I must say some of this furniture does look a little worn. I mean, they could do a few touch-ups on the furniture. I mean, here's the table. People have been banging their suitcases and stuff against it. Now let's go. Oh, by the door is the thermostat. And this is the only thermostat in this room. I really do think they should have had 2. One for this room, and they should have had one for the bedroom. Behind this table, there are 4 outlets. And another 4 behind this one. So if there are 6 people staying here, there are plenty of places to plug in and charge all your stuff. Now this is my 3rd day here, so my bed is not perfect. So let's take a look at this room. So there is a coffee maker, and then here are 2 more outlets. There's your coffee. It's Keurig style. Let's see if there are outlets down here. I haven't looked. So there's another 4 by the trash can there. TV. You have a microwave. Some drawers here. Your refrigerator. It works well. Ice bucket. There's another outlet. And then over here in this window, you get a better view of Guardian of the Galaxy. Plus, you can see Cars Land. You can see the ride. Two queen beds. And this one is just 2 outlets there, but in the clock there's a couple more outlets. You have a little cubby here, a couple of drawers, nice full-length mirror here. Here is the light for this room, the switch. Closet. There's an extra pillow up there. And your dryer is up in the closet there, right-hand side. Ironing board. And now the bathroom. Okay. I think there is actually another negative. If there's 6 people staying here, this should have 2 vanities. It's just me, so this is adequate, perfectly fine. With all your towels. And then here is the shower and toilet room. They do have a hook there, towel bar. It's hard to tell on video, but this is a nice deep soaker tub. And the little corner shelving unit here is nice size. I mean, there's plenty of space. Some of these little shelves that they put in hotels in the shower hardly hold anything. This one's good sized. Shower head, it's okay. It works, it's adequate. The water pressure is adequate. I think it's like in a lot of California hotels, they have to have water savers inside. So sometimes the water pressure isn't the best. This one is okay. The hot water is great. No fluctuations. Once it turns hot, it stays. Nice size room. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna talk about another negative. If you're up here on the 3rd floor and you have problems sleeping or you're a light sleeper, this may not be the room for you. If you're gonna be in the parks all day and you're not coming back until around, 11:30 or midnight, you'll probably be okay. But if you come back early and you're a light sleeper, it can be loud. On the rooftop, they have a restaurant bar, and there was a wedding up there last night. I must have got back about 11, and those people were, having fun, dancing, but it was pretty loud. Luckily, I don't have a problem falling asleep, so it didn't bother me, but if you are a light sleeper, it really can bother you. Would I stay here again? Absolutely. This morning when I went to the park, I went for rope drop. I was inside the park in 7 minutes. That's really quick. Beds, compared to my bed at home, definitely not as comfortable, but it's a comfortable sleep. If you're here, you're probably going to the parks and you're walking around and you're going to be tired. You shouldn't have a problem going to sleep. Okay, from the Grand Legacy at the park, this is about it for this room. And you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.